Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 106 Laravel 11 old password, new password and confirm password update in database. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run localhost PSP myadmin /index.php successfully working this file. Insert this real state underscore lara underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is the list of table is available, 26 table is available this project, and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, and this is a project directory. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project directory. Inside this command prompt open means cmd open. This directory inside this cmd open. Let's php artisan server and enter php artisan server and enter. Copy this name and paste here. Inside this paste here. Successfully working. Let's /admin login /admin successfully. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin@gmail.com password 123456789 and click this login. And not now. Successfully this is a login. Let's insert this new menu is a create menu name is a sense password. Let's schedule inside, otherwise this is role inside this is implement full calendar. Inside this implement sense password new menu. Let's open this sidebar. This is a resource view admin body and this is a sidebar. Successfully sidebar is a open. Same here, copy this menu is a copy, full calendar menu is a copy, and simple way only simple 2 times is available full calendar. Let's refresh this page and this is available full calendar. Same copy and paste here. Let's name is a sense password same here, copy and inside this paste here. Simple way only, very simple and very quick channel. This 100% solution this channel. Let's sense password is a save file and refresh this page. This is a good sense password. Let's click this sense password. Inside this available admin /sense_password. This is available admin /sense_sense password. This is a available same name. This name is a copy route. Inside this is a new route is a create route is a web.php, and this is a login is a admin login. This is a login. Let's route get paste here. The same here, copy and paste here. Let's control is a lost of control is available this project. Let's same here, this is admin control is open admin controller. This is a paste here. Class, this name is a sense password. Same here, copy and paste here sense password. Save file. Let this copy. This is a name is the same name is a copy and admin controller open. This is a admin controller. This is a controller is available app http controller, and this is a admin controller is available. Let's inside this admin controller in available. Let's public function paste here. Same name is a paste here. This is a name is a sense password paste here, and this is a available request $request. This is a by default is available. Return view admin folder is already available. Second folder is a create sense password, and next folder is a update. This is a close this save file. Let's admin. This is a folder name is already available. This is a admin folder. Same here, copy, and this is a new folder is a create. This folder name is a sense password. Successfully create sense password, and this update. This is the update blade php. Successfully create. Hello error solution code.com, and let's refresh this page, and this is available. Hello errorsolutioncode.com, and this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com, and this my experience in 78-year experience is available, and this YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp and Skype anytime is any doubt, so please contact, and this is a new project development, so please contact. This is a lost of project is available, very low price, always low price this website is. And let's start. This is a remove, and inside this implementation, this is city inside, this is available. This is a add blade PSP file. Same here, copy this, select and copy and close this file, and inside this paste here, simple paste, not a extra, simple paste, and refresh this page. Undefined country, and this is a not useless city, this is a remove, not use, this not use. Save file, let's save file and refresh this page, simple way, not use extra. This is a good city name is available. Click this change password, and this is a admin change password is available, please click. Good working, this is a fine. Same here, this is a old name is a change, this is a name is a change password, same name, copy and paste here, and this is a change password. Password is a set, and this is a update change password, same here, copy and paste here, change password, and this is the update change password. Again, this is implementation, update change password. Good working. This is the URL is not a use, this is a not use, and this is available. This same name is a copy, and this back is a not use. This is a reset. This is a fine, and this is a button name is a update. Let's save file and refresh this page. Good working. This change password, update change password, and this update and reset. This is a old password is a implementation field is a, this first field is a old password is a implementation. This is a name is available. This is a name is a same name is a old password is a set, same, copy. This is a placeholder is a old password is a paste here. This first field is a implementation. Next is a, this is a SR, this SR tag, same here, copy. This is a copy and paste here, and this is a new password is a implementation. Inside this is a only single field is a new password. This is a new password, old is a remove and new password. Last is a confirm password, same, copy and paste here, this confirm password. This is a confirm password in this confirm. Good working. This is a confirm password. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is available. This is first is this login, old password, new password, and confirm password is a implementation step by step. This is working fine. This open inside, this is a one file is a include, this is a list file inside, this is a file is the same, copy and paste here. This is a message file, include message file. This message file is available. This message file, this inside this success message and error message is available. This is a show. Let's same here, copy this, copy in this slash and admin update password. This is a update the same name, and this is a method is a post method. Let's same, copy and save file and route is a post method, post, and this paste here update. This admin controller class, this is the update password, same here, update change update update password, save file, successfully save file. This is a post method. Let's same copy, and inside this is a new function is a create public function. Paste here and request $request, and inside this dd $request all, save file, successfully save file, and refresh this page. Inside this step-by-step implementation, old password 123456, new password 1234567889, and this is any password is a confirm password is a set. Let's update, and this is available. This is a field is available, old password, new password, and confirm password. This is a fine. Let's small is a font is a small, good working. This is a fine. Let's comment, and this password field is available. This password, click this user. This is a user inside. This is available. This is available user inside. This is available. One is miss password field. This is inside. This is available password field. This is a password field is available, and this is a table name is available, user table. Let's open this model inside. This is available. This is a user model by default model. Same here, copy, and this is a controller inside. This is already included. This is included. Same copy, and inside this paste here. Let's write down step by step. First of all, this is a new variable. Create variable name is simple variable only user is equal to. This is a model name is this model find. Same here available. This is a auth is not available. This is a auth is same name is auth is a copy auth user ID. Same ID. If this is the function is a trim request inside, this is available. This request inside this confirm password and new password. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a confirm password is equal to same trim paste here, and this is a name is available. Same name is available. This is a first is a confirm and new password. This is the same name is a new password. So copy, and this is a paste here. This copy and this paste here. Save file. Successfully this is available. If this is a new password and confirm password mapped after inside this include if hash check, this is a hash is available inside. This is already included. This is a hash check, and this is a request old password. This is a old password is available. This is a old password. Same here, copy. This is a old password and paste here. This is the old password, and same this is a new password user. This is a user inside this available this password. Only password field is available. This password field is available. This is a database field. This field is a password field inside this get, and this is a include in this is a all work, and this close this inside the start and less font small. This is the implementation. This is a new password. Less $save. Same here, copy and paste here is equal to hash make $request new password and confirm password. New password inside this close this $user save. Successfully save. Good working. This close this and return a redirect back with success password successfully sends, and this close this. Inside this is available, this is a if card. Inside this is a else condition is a start else condition. Same name is a copy, password is a not valid, password is a not valid, validated. Same name is a incorrect and validated, and this is the available. Inside this is the else part is available, this is the else. Same name is a copy. Good. This is a password is not valid, and this is a mirror message is available. This success message file is open. This message file is available. This first is success and second is a error message. This is a 2 is a error message. Not confirm password is a match, otherwise not confirm valid. Save file. Please write down this is a all successfully set. Please write down these two function all successfully implementation. Good. Save file. Inside this is a include user, and this is the first in this step by step. This file is a write down. This is a all good. This sidebar. Any doubt, so please contact my official website. This is my YouTube channel error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this is a lost of link is available, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Please follow this all link. Please wait, this is a load. This is a follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub and official website. In doubt, so please contact. Let's refresh this back button, click this and refresh this page. And this is a all password is unvalid. This is a unvalid, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and click this, and this is the error is a show. This is a password is a not a valid. This is a old password is a not valid. Otherwise, let's check. This is a old password. Let's old password is a set. This is a message is a sense. This is a old password. Old password is not a valid. Good working. This is the old password is a not a valid. Let's insert this valid 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this inside this other password is a implementation update, and this is a confirm password is a not a valid. Good working. Less valid 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and the submit successfully record is a update in database. Good working. Password is a successfully sent. This is a password is a senseless. This sense is a password. This password is a successfully sent. Good working. Let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this implement, and let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3, and this update, and this is not update. Inside this available next is a 0 is implement, not a valid all password. Let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and this is a password is a valid, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is a update, and this is a current password is a working, old password is a working fine. This is a sans password. Let's again check this sans password is a working. This is a sans. Good working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt, so please contact anytime. Thank you.